This is Switzerland, one of the most beautiful countries in the world, especially for motorcyclists. Not only do we have breathtaking scenery to ride through, but also one of the best maintained road systems in Europe. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself. Oh, you are still there? Good. That means you will have to admit that this is really epic. I think it is almost too beautiful to not share this with you. And that is the reason why I created this YouTube channel. If you want to see more of this country and how it is to be a motorcyclist here, please consider subscribing or even just like this video right here. Thanks.